Lamang loob na gamita yan. Amoy pa lang ng babae dito. Pikit mata niyang sasabihin ko ng pangalan.
Boss, natatawag niyo raw ako.
Johnny, may pagagawa ko sa'yo. Kailangan pong pangamoy mo.
My goodness! You make some of my eggs! You are not washing your eyes! Are you the chairman of the road?
Sorry,
Who's gonna pay for that?
of me.
My God! Pick it up!
I'm really very sorry.
problem, huh? This! Making
I'm
some of
sorry.
my eggs! You son of a bitch! Well, you know,
Oh, what?
you know,
I'm really sorry.
Demonyo ka. Sa likod ng mga kamay mo, pati mga bata ako, tinalo mo. Galing. Natagpuan ko rin ang lalaking kasing tarantado kung kumana. Natawa pa.
mag-asawang sampal yun, ha? Kailan tayo kinasal?